So you're having water pump issues, and you raise the bunk cover on the bottom bunk, front rack, driver's side, and this is what you see. Have no fear, it looks a lot more complicated than it actually is. Starting with unit 2467, this is the water pump system that we've switched to include a backup water pump. So this line right here is your drain going down through the floor. You won't need that at all. That one should always stay closed. This is your outlet from the tank, and then it goes wherever it goes. So right now you can see that yellow valve is parallel to the line, which means it's open. So our water is going into the bottom or primary water pump, and then it continues on through the system. So in the event that you have a problem with your water pump, usually it's because it's leaking. The housing leaks, they rarely burn up, but in the event that you have a problem with your water pump, then you can just switch over to your backup. So here's what you do. If you'll notice, the primary has one color valves, and the secondary has a different color valves. In this case, the yellow is the primary. So all you got to do is just shut your supply line off for your primary, shut your outlet line off for your primary, open your water supply. See it coming out of the, let's see here. See it coming out of the tank, and then it can't go anywhere here, so it goes up into your secondary, and then turn on your outlet from the secondary. Now we have to switch over the power. There's a switch right here. Right now it's set to the primary. This side, this one happens to be the primary facing the hallway. That's not necessarily always the case. The thing to remember is it's a 3-position switch. In the center position, that's where the power comes in. Neither pump is going to do anything. You have to go to the opposite side. So right now our power is to the secondary water pump. Our water supply is set to the secondary water pump, and you should be good to go. It's literally that easy.